Myra and George are sitting in the class and playing with the numbers, and these numbers are used for counting. Here, as we can see, some of the numbers are 18, 20, 22, 6, 8. And what does these numbers tell us about? The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Okay, these even numbers are the ones ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at ones place. Okay, students. Now we have the numbers 13, 25, 51, 87. Here, what do we observe? That these numbers are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So, the numbers which end up with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at ones place are known as odd numbers. Students, whenever we divide any number, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or even 20, 25, 30, 120, and if we divide it by 2 and we are getting the remainder 0, so such number is known as even number. And if we are getting the remainder as 1 on dividing the number by 2, that number is called to be an odd number. Now we'll be talking about the addition properties of even and odd numbers. Here, 2 plus 4 balloons gives me 6 balloons. But 2 is an even number, 4 is also an even number. So 2 plus 4, which are both even numbers, will give me the sum of even number, that is 6. As you know, 6 is an even number. So my first property says when even is added to an even number, it gives me an even number. Students, here I have got 3 flowers, which is an odd number, plus 1 flower, which is again an odd number, and that gives me a sum of 4, which is even number. So my rule becomes when an odd number is added to an odd number, it gives me a sum of an even number. Now 2 Beyblades, which is an even number, is added to 1 Beyblade, that is an odd number. Gives you total 3 Beyblades, which is again an odd number. So what do we get? When an even number is added to an odd number, it gives me a sum of an odd number. Over here, 5, which is an odd number, when added to 4, an even number, it gives me the sum of 9, which is an odd number. So my rule is that when an odd number is added to an even number, it gives me an odd number. Let's take a quick recap of the properties of even and odd numbers. Even plus even gives you even number. Odd plus odd also gives you even number. Even plus odd gives you odd number. And odd plus even gives you odd number. Now let's have some fun.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Say this rhyme. If any number ends with one of those digits, then that number's even every time. 2,
Even.
8,
Even.
6,
Even.
7,
Odd.
9,
Odd.
4,
Even.
3,
Odd.
0.
Even.
Are we even or are we odd? As two little shoes. Are we even or are we out? They were quite confused. They will confuse you. Can you split them equally when you have just 2? Yes, you can split them right in half. One left and one right shoe. Split them up, even split down the middle. Split them up, even split. Say this rhyme. Even numbers split right down the middle. Double almost at the even numbers every time. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Say this rhyme. If any number ends with one of those digits, then that number's even every time.
11,
Odd.
14,
Even.
16,
Even.
13,
Odd.
15,
Odd.
18,
Even.
20,
Even.
21.
Odd.
Are we even or are we odd? At 6 ice cream sticks. Are we even or are we odd? They even know the trick. Can you split them equally when there are just 6? Yes, you can split them right in half. 3 green and 3 blue sticks. Split them up, even split down the middle. Split them up, even split, say this rhyme. Even numbers split right down the middle. Half and half make even numbers every time. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Say this rhyme. Every other number is always even. Every other number on the number line.
100,
Even.
97,
Odd.
62,
Even.
39,
Odd.
86,
Even.
54,
Even.
32,
Even.
78.
Even.
Are we even or are we odd? As 5 chubby toes. Are we even or are we odd? They didn't know the trick, you know that even's trick. Can you split them equally when there are just 5? No, you can't split 5 in half. You can try and try. Split them up, even split down the middle. Split them up, even split, say this rhyme. Even numbers split right down the middle. Half and half make even numbers every time. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Say this rhyme. Every other number is always even. Every other number on the number line. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Say this rhyme. If any number ends with one of those digits, then that number's even every time.